What's up, my friend? Today I'm gonna show you a simple technique to make your mixes more impactful that I use in all of my work. Macro here from Mixing with Macro. I'm a professional recording and mixing engineer, and I do mixing and recording for major record labels and many independent artists. And my goal is to help you streamline your recording and your mixing process for fast and consistent results. That's where I made a cheat sheet that can take your mix to a professional sounding mix in less than 30 minutes. All right, you can read it in about 5 minutes, and it's in the description right now for free. Now I'm going to show you the technique that I use in my work to make my mixes way more impactful. All right, so right now we have Kenzo Balla's PDL, and we have the beat pulled up here, and as you can see, there's a lot of holes in the beat right here, right? And it's just basically called beat drops if you're not familiar with what I'm talking about just yet. But if you are, you would know what these holes mean. Now, in this particular session, the way we use beat drops is to emphasize the rapper. Okay, there's no other. Yes, they're cool and everything. You just do it just for the sake of doing it, and how you want to use it is in context with how the rapper is coming at the beat. Okay, so I'm just gonna play a couple of parts here.
I never like, I keep it tough. Hollow tips to go hit him, leave that nigga stuck. Giving out head taps, no ducked up goose. One call on my max on the roof. Tryna catch his jet and knock him out his shoe. Knock him down in the winter, knock him out his boot. 45 big nah, 38 deuce. That's the knockers that I like to shoot.
And another thing with beat drops is that it's more than just to emphasize what the rapper is saying and make it sound more impactful, but it's also to make your vocal effects and all those kind of things come out a little bit more and have a place to shine. All right, so if you listen in this section, you can hear my delays and my reverbs going there. I'm just gonna play it through so you can get different ideas of what you can do to your work.
We be causing casualties like wait, that's a jetty in front of the gates. Watch you up there, knock hit him in his face.
Okay, so I just soloed it. Listen to it soloed. I really like the scratch there that happens, and the simple way of doing that is you go up to audio suite, you select various speed, and it's a slow down feature right there. You just hit slow down, or if it's at the beginning, you hit speed up like that, and it makes your mixes stand out. It makes it sound a whole lot better, and it's very intriguing to the listener. So when people hear your music, they're gonna be like, wow, I want to hear that again. Now let's listen to this part. Here's another technique that I'm going to show you really quick so you have an idea how to do beat drops with effects on 2-track beats. I'm just going to solo it. All right, so as you can see, I have a delay right here on my rise. Very nice. All I did was put a delay right here on the beat. I printed it, and then I had it cut off before the next delay come out, so you could see that it ends like right here. Very, very simple. You could try these techniques on your songs right now and you will have a better mix. I have a video on my channel that goes in depth on all these techniques here, and I show you exactly how to get them step by step. So go ahead and watch that. I'll probably link it down below, so check the description for that as well. All right, my friend, I'll see you in the next video.